everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my boyfriend's makeup. This is Xander, for those of you that did not watch him do my makeup. And I haven't really decided whether or not I'm going to give him like an actual look or just something very natural. So we're going to see how this goes. But first I'm going to wipe down his little skinny skin with a makeup wipe. Get all that dirt and grime from the day off.
How dare you?
Now, as you can tell, this man has a beard, so it'll be a little different. I've never done makeup on someone bearded.
No.
Also, have you ever had your makeup done? Like, have you ever had anybody put makeup on you? Okay, so this is an experiment for us both. To start, I'm gonna moisturize. I'm gonna moisturize his skin with the Cetaphil Face and Body Moisturizing Lotion. Moisturize the beard. Okay, now I'm going to prime his skin using, let's see, I'll use my Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I'm just going to put this on a clean brush. This is a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Expert Face Brush.
Because I'm an expert.
Because you're a Disney Dog expert.
What does this mean?
This is primer. You skipped this step on me. Basically, your moisturizer is so that your skin is like nice and moisturized, but your primer is meant to make your foundation go on nice.
I'm like, what happened? I'm like, I put makeup on! Just kidding. Look how good.
I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Rose Ivory. Now this is a little bit light for me, but this pale guy will probably be the correct shade. I'm going to get it all up in your beard hair and not know how to deal with that, seeing as I don't have a beard.
I don't know if I was a sitting there. I wouldn't guess that I have
I'm going to set all that bad stuff with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder and a Real Techniques powder brush. Blush! This is the Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush from Seraphine Botanicals. And I'm going to take an angled brush. This is a crown brush, it's just angled. And pop it on his cheekers.
I like itch my face. We'll rub all the makeup off.
We'll rub some of it off. I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer with an e.l.f. Complexion brush and kind of just warm up the skin a little bit. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution HD Pro Amplified Palette, and I'm going to use this rich shade right here. It's got a little bit of goldeny undertone to it, so.
But I'm really pale, so might not be too.
So you're gonna be rich. Okay, I'm going to take one of my absolutely favorite little eyeshadow quads. This is the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells quad. I am going to take it with... Okay, this is a flat shadow brush. I'm going to put that on his eyelid. They're just, your lid is a lot smaller. Like there's a lot less surface area to work with on your lid. So like it's different when you put eyeshadow on you. Now open and look up.
Eyeball.
Butt animal.
Feels a lot like it.
Let's do it already.
How do I look?
Yeah, oh my god. Wow, you do love me, don't you? Okay, we're gonna call it there, and we're gonna put on some mascara. We're gonna call it there with the
You don't get
eyeshadow.
it in my eyeballs. Baby.
Yeah, baby. We'll just do like a more neutral one. We'll just do the NARS Orgasm. NARS Orgasm lip gloss.
Should we go out like this?
You're so cute.
Oh yeah. Am I done?
Yeah. So this is the finished look.
Can I see the mirror?
How do you feel you look?
Really weird.
Really weird?
Super weird. Especially with the lips.
Yeah. I would have like put eyeliner on you too, like
Nope.
Like liquid liner, but I know that you would have freaked out even more if I was dealing with your eyes.
It's really dark. I definitely noticed the bottom layer of eyeshadow. Not as much as the top. I definitely see it. The lips, no, never again.
But the eyeshadow maybe?
No, never. None of this ever. But no, it's definitely zombie looking. I've never seen myself in makeup on.
Okay. Well,
No one else has.
thank you for letting me do that. Here's a wipe.
I don't know how to do this.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely fun for us to film. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. And I will see you guys next time.